everyone, welcome on my YouTube channel. This is my first video in English, so hope you will subscribe and stay tuned. Other videos are coming. Anyway, I want to make today a really simple tutorial with you, and we will make together a mask. For sure 2020 was a mask year, so I want to make one with you, but a bit different one. This one, eye mask. I thought that after this very tough year we all need a bit of relax, so actually you can use this mask when you relax yourself, when you are having a bath or maybe a nap or even a massage. If you have a bit of home spa, for sure it's very useful. So I will show you now how to make it. It's very simple. Enjoy and see you soon.